Once again you all welcome back in GK video, and this is my first video of this week. Children, in this video I am going to restart the new chapter. That chapter is here 23 and the name of the chapter is here the things we do. Yes children, our today's topic is action words, doing words or verbs. Let us see these with the help of some examples. But children, before moving towards the example children, something I would like to ask you. I would like to ask you one question. Okay children, just one thing. Tell me. Children, right now you just tell me what are you doing? What are you doing? And what am I doing? So just tell me children, what are you doing? Yes, you all are watching. What? Watching videos, and I am teaching you through the videos. So children, what here the action is performed by me and you. Okay, the work is done by me and you. That is the action words that is happening here. Action words. Okay, watch, like I'm teaching you. So teach is here action word. You all are watching this video. So watch is action word. Understood children? So now let us some more example. But before children, some definition of action words or doing words. The words that tell what a person, animals or things does are called doing words. As I have said by the example children, right now I am teaching you through the video. So what teach is action words. Okay, teach is doing word. Okay children, now and also children, what doing words are also called action words. Doing words are also called action words and action words are called verbs. Okay, let us some more example through the picture. Children, in this picture you can see the boy is eating food, and it is highlighted. Why? Because this is what action word. This is doing word. What is boy doing? Yes, boy is eating food. So what you will say? It is doing word. He is which work is he doing? Yes, he is eating. So there is it is what action word. In this picture, say children, what is she doing? The girl is sleeping. So sleep is what? Doing words. So children, through this video it will help to understand some more what action words or doing words. So let's start children. Children, today you will have to fill the blanks space, okay, by using action word, and you will just see the picture and you will complete the what action words. This sentence you will have to complete. Okay, like we dash in water. Children, this boy is what is he doing? Yes, he is swimming in water. The work is happening what? He is swimming. So swim is what action word. We dash in water. So you will write we swim in water. We swim in water. Okay, we dash at night. The girl is sleeping. So what sleep is doing word. SL, what is she doing? She is sleeping. So sleep is what? Doing word, or you can say action word. We sleep at night. We dash at clowns children. Was when we see clowns, what we do? Yes, we laugh on him. So what laugh is doing word, or you can say action word. Okay, so there you will say action word. It means what? There laugh. You will write laugh, LAUGH, laugh. We laugh at clowns. We dash perfume. Yes, we like what we smell perfume. Okay, so there you will write smell. Okay, SMELL, smell. SMELL, smell. We smell perfume. We dash water. As you all know children, we should drink plenty of water. Okay, so there you will write what? Drink. What are they doing children? Yes, they are drinking. So drink is what is action word, or you can say doing word. So there you will write drink. We drink water. DRINK, drink. Understood, children? Let us see the some more example, children. Just fill here. We dash food. Yes, what you all will say? This girl is what? Eating. So we dash food. We eat food. What we do with food, children? We eat food. And you all know, children, what eating fruit and vegetable keep us fit and healthy. Okay. So there you will write eat. Eat. What eat is action word. There you will write eat. E-A-T. Eat. We dash games. What? We play games. Children, you can see children are playing in the playground. So what? Play is action word. So there you will write play. P-L-A-Y. Play. We dash music. Spelling of music. M-U-S-I-C. Music. So what you all have to write? We dash music. You all will say we listen music. We like to listen music. So there you will write what? Listen. L-I-S-T-E-N. Listen. We listen to music. We dash television. You can see what are they doing in this picture, children? They are watching television. So there you will write watch. They watch. Watch is action word. So there you will write watch. W-A-T-C-H. Watch. We watch television. We watch television. We dash book, children. Children are here reading books. So what? We read books. There you will write read. Okay. We read books. Now some more example. We dash songs. Yes, this girl is singing song. So we also like to sing a song, children. So we what? Sing songs. So there you will write sing. S-I-N-G. Sing. We sing songs. We dash kite. Yes, children. Children like to fly kite. In this picture, you can see they are flying kites. So fly is what? Action words. So there you will write fly. F-L-Y. Fly. We fly kites. We dash letter. Yes, we write letter. We read book, but we write letters. So write. Okay. By using pen, we write letters. So there you will write what? Write. W-R-I-T. Right now, children, I am writing on slide share, children. So there write also what? Action word, or you can say doing word. So we write letters. We dash exercise. We what? We dash daily. We exercise daily. Exercise here action word. So there you will write action word. So there you will write exercise. E-X-E-R-C-I-S-E. Exercise. Okay, we dash in air. We breathe in air. So children, these are action words, or you can say what? Doing words, or also you can say verbs. So children, in page chapter 23 you will fill by using what? By using helping words. Understood? And I hope, children, you all have understood very nicely, because right now I have explained. Yes, whatever we do, children, all will call action words or doing words. So by what watching this picture, you will complete the what? Blank space. You will have to fill the blank space. And okay, so now after that, children, you all are going to do the one more work, that is your general awareness. You all are living in society na, children. So whatever it is happening, you should know. Okay, what is happening in your society, okay, in our states, we should know. So by the this video you can what? You can see many things. So let's start, children. General awareness. Okay, so children, you will write the answer. There is question and answer. So first question is here. Who is the finance minister of India? Who is the finance minister, children? Yes, Nirmala Sitharaman is the finance minister of India. And what is the work, children, of finance minister? Yes, finance minister is the most important after the prime minister, because she is responsible for fiscal policy and the budget. Okay, who is the vice president of India? Venkaiah Naidu. Yes, this is the picture of Venkaiah Naidu. And children, vice president of India is the second highest constitutional office in India after the president. The vice president, children, act as president in the absence of the president. Yes, in the absence of president, he acts as a president due to death, resignation, or other situation. Okay, in the place of president, okay, he works as a president. Okay, children. So who is the vice president of India, children? You will have to say Venkaiah Naidu is the Vice President of India. Now, see the next. Which is our national currency, children? Yes, tell me. Rupee. Rupee is our national currency. Yes, the Indian rupee is the official currency of India, and the rupee is subdivided into 100 paise, and this is the sign of rupee. This is the, when you speak the 2 rupee, it means you will put the sign of rupee and then you will write 2. It means what? 2 rupee. Which is the national aquatic animal? Yes, river dolphin. River dolphin is the national aquatic animal of India, and dolphins have smooth rubbery skin and are usually colored in some mixture of black, white and grey. Okay, now see the next. This is who is popularly known as the Iron Man of India. Yes, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel is popularly known as Iron Man of India. We learned from Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. He always teach us human power without unity is not a strength. It means unity is strength. We should always work in team. Okay. Who wrote our national anthem? Rabindranath Tagore. Children, you all know, children, Jana Gana Mana is our national anthem written by Rabindranath Tagore. Rabindranath Nath, Tagore, Tagore, Tagore. And national song, yes, our national song is Vande Mataram and written by Bankim Chand Chatterjee. So don't forget children, our national anthem written by Rabindranath Tagore and our national song written by Bankim Chand Chatterjee. That song is here, what? Vande Mataram. Okay, so this is our national anthem, Jana Gana Mana. Now after that, children, which is the largest river in the world? But before, children, and already you all are knowing which is the largest river of our country, you all are knowing the Ganga. Okay, but here, which is the largest river in the world? You will say Nile. Nile is the largest river in the world. Who discovered India? Now next question, who discovered India? Vasco da Gama discovered India by sea route. Okay, children. Now after that, next one is here. Which is the largest and smallest country in the world? Yes, Russia is the largest country in the world, and Vatican City is the smallest country in the world. Okay, and next, which is the first Indian woman? There it should be A. Okay, why? Because one woman is there, woman, WOMAN. Who is the first Indian woman to climb Mount Everest? You will say Bachendri Pal. Yes, Bachendri Pal is the first woman to climb Mount Everest. Which is the tallest building in the world? Yes, Burj Khalifa. Burj Khalifa, children, holds the following record: tallest building in the world at over 828 meters and more than 160 stories. Okay, children, so Burj Khalifa is the tallest building in the world. Okay, children. Now, so you, and also this is the picture of Burj Khalifa. Okay, this is the picture of Burj Khalifa. It is tallest building in the world, and she is what? Bachendri Pal. She is the first woman to climb what? Mount Everest. Okay, children. So hope, children, whatever I have explained in this video, you all have understood very nicely. So once again, thank you for watching this video. So everyone, bye bye you all, and have a wonderful day.